Okay, Nathan, I'm gonna make a cut, and then I want you to go over there full wrap, and this is an important one. We got to really feed it, okay? And listen, the wind's pushing on me, so I gotta hydraulic this wind right, because if I don't, it'll blow that limb right over on me, okay? So just as soon as that wind dies, I'm gonna make my cut and we're gonna go for it, okay? Stand by, all right? Okay, get your wrap. And run out there. No wind, dude. Here we go. This is it. You ready, Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. It's hung up on the side there. That's okay. Hold on. Just hold it, okay? Because it'll bust off, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get situated here where I can get to it. Don't lower it, okay? It'll just make it worse. You ready? It's all yours. Nice and easy, Nathan. Real slow, dude. Real slow. You have to anticipate that knot going through the tree break, okay? Just make it go around it nice and smooth, and then you can go get it. Beautiful job, Nathan.